the royal vehicle increased its speed as it approached Benjamabapit temple. Out from amongst the crowd came a voice shouting, "Don't let go of the people." I felt like shouting back to him that I will not let go of the people if they do not let go of me. His Majesty's memoirs of his studies in Switzerland, entitled The Journey from Siam to Switzerland, printed in the Wong Wannakadi magazine, is an example of his keen interest in writing that was manifested in his youth. In 1994, His Majesty translated William Stevenson's The Man Called Intrepid from English. In the following year, he translated Phyllis Ortiz Ditto from the English. This reflects His Majesty's perseverance and outstanding language skills. Both books were reprinted until a total of 250,000 copies were sold.